Want to know how to check your credits in Lovable AI? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple, and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Lovable AI application, or just simply head towards lovable.dev right here and open it up on the website. So once you have done that, on the top right side, you should be seeing your profile. So if you don't see it, you might be seeing login or get started option. This is where you need to log in or create an account. We have also created a video on how to create an account, so make sure to watch the video. So once you've selected your profile on the top right corner right here, you should be seeing various options, and right here you should be seeing credits. So your total credit is 5 remaining. So this is how you can easily see. You can also get more credits by paying right here, and you can see it's reset time. So daily credits reset at midnight, so you need to wait until midnight on universal time when it resets. And that's it. This is how you check credits. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.